Pleasure to be here. We're going to be working on some Radix fixed token sale with royalty. Current goal is to migrate it. Well, in this session, I'd like to migrate it over to scrypto 10/11. So we just got to run through here and resolve all of the different errors that popped up when I upgraded to scrypto 10. So just realized I have some questions in the Discord. I don't think I followed up. But yeah, let's touch and go, guys. I'm excited to kind of have this function. We've almost gotten to the point where we can actually maybe publish it and test it on the RCnet. Kind of a flow, I guess. I mean, when you're building a blueprint, when you're building a smart contract in general, the flow, especially when you're learning all of it brand new, you have three entities that need to communicate. You got the ledger, you got the DApp, you got the wallet. Scrypto, as far as I can tell, Radix themselves have set up the communication between all three of those to function really, really well. So they got their own wallet, right? They got the Radix Connect. And I guess the only thing that I'm confused on, or just that I don't know super well, is how I communicate with the ledger. So once I'm done with this blueprint, my goal would be to throw it up on our CNET and actually communicate with it, build a simple DApp that can speak with my blueprint, instantiate a component with it, and just kind of actually work, right? So once I'm done with this, once I'm done writing this blueprint and writing the tests for it to make sure that it actually works, that'll be the next step. And honestly, once I get to that point, I'm able to deploy my blueprint, create a component with it. I will honestly be in the perfect spot. Well, I'll be in a place where it'll just, well, I should know everything I need to know about Radix development to be considered just capable. I'll know the entire flow, and I can take ownership of the entire flow of writing a blueprint, writing a smart contract, creating tests for it, deploying it, creating the app for that smart contract as well. So I'd say we're probably, given the amount of effort that I had to put in to kind of figure out Rust, the syntax behind Rust, I'd say we're probably 60, 70% of the way to me understanding the entire flow. And so these videos kind of coming to full completion, right, where from start to finish, we learned Scrypto, which is pretty awesome. I feel like we're probably maybe 10-ish videos in at this point. So being able to get this far, even with multiple updates that have occurred, the middle feels pretty good to me. I'm pretty satisfied with that progress. So I've got my daughter with me. I'm hoping that I can program her brain with my stream of consciousness, and that she learns how to build all these technical terms, all the things I'm doing. Kind of at the end of the day, really is for her. So excited to have you here. Let's get cracking. So we have multiple errors in here. We have this error at the very top that I don't really understand. Scripted drive, proc, macro blueprint. I'm not sure what that is exactly supposed to be trying to tell me. I'm going to assume that if I fix all the errors inside of this, well, just here in general, that that error will go away. That's the hope of it. We're gonna see. So first and foremost, we have our resource builder, which is UUID non-fungible, does not exist. So there's a couple of migrations that we need to make, and we're gonna make them. That's not quite what I wanted to do. No, it's maybe. Okay, sometimes. Just man. Okay. Crypto examples, we can hop over to blueprint calls, release notes, higher, point out, okay. This is what we need. Let's do this. UID. Okay. Okay. Yeah. RUID not functional? Is this what we want? Function. Roll. Nice. Good. This is the bucket. What I want. Effective resource address and I think that's what they're saying. So this becomes a resource manager. So instead of resource address, create a resource manager. And you can use that resource manager. Then make a good mistake. Okay. Okay. So how then do we make manager? Okay, so I just need to do not rename you. Well, do that manager. Do that. I do not happen. Boom. Okay. That's the badge got. What did I say? A non-fungible local ID. Like that. This could be a fungible picture. Right. This returns a bucket. These all return buckets. The difference between RUID non-fungible and a non-fungible. I'm not sure what it is. Excuse me, data. It's already ready. We'll use ready. I'm sure that's exactly this. Okay. Yeah. Right. Right. Okay, so we're close. I just need to, I guess, I just cast this. Gold buttons. Is that a possibility here? One of these could be different prototypes or to course to a specific trait argument. Okay, so I cannot do that. Then do you want me to do again? Expected due to this. By wrapping the expression in non-fungible. Okay. Okay, that worked. Awesome. Okay. So the owner of the ownership badge. Let's see what is that. There's my daughter, guys. I need to go get some food. So we might take a break. Intermission. Okay, so it's telling me the difficulty. Not a thing. Folder, new fungible, overrule none. Visibility, visibility none. Okay. Let's do it this way around. There we go. Awesome. Oh, activate that. Oh, error here too. Okay. So metadata has changed. So if I royalty badge, description. Okay, looks like it's all good. I don't know what this lock is. Maybe that you cannot change the metadata. Yeah. Okay. Access rule. Each predefined resource metadata will metadata after as well. Okay, so tired, but the hunger is slowly waking her up. I'll be right back. I need to heat up some food. All right. Then we got some food in the steamer. She'll have everything she needs in about 4 or 5 minutes. And then we're just gonna keep building. All right, so looks like this metadata. I don't really care about people being able to update this metadata. Right. So it looks like you can set the roles that can set and lock. I forgot what a lock meant. Lock. update a role to define all, and then roll to law. I'm pretty sure. So sudden. So sudden. So I'm pretty sure that locker is just used to lock other settings. I'll write this down. No, it's not super, but let's keep going. So the next step is to end this video. Visibility lock. We don't care about people accessing it. Continue with it. No. Initial surprise 1. We call it good. Bad. Fixed price sale. Okay. Not find that. Fixed sales relative. No. Uh, Here's the thing. Not too bad. Not too bad. Anyway. Okay. Address. Uh-oh. All right. That's a food friend. All right, we're back, and my wife has taken my daughter to feed her. So I'm just gonna take. We're just gonna again. The goal is just to fix all these errors. You can probably hear my daughter in the background. Okay. So where are we trying? So it's now expecting back a global example. So instead of, I guess I want, instead of component address, I want a global, whatever this is called, fixed price sale with royalty. And the bucket that we're going with is the ownership app. This is just a bucket. Error, other errors. Role, movement, user type. On the right side. Where do we get the resource address? Find the resource address in the country resource manager. Okay. So we are still trying. I guess instead of resource address, can I just use the resource manager? Yeah, let's do that. Multi-badge resource manager. That should fix those errors, and it should cause me some others. Right. Now resource manager. We don't need to do that anymore because wait this one. Because we just have resource manager. Okay. Loop through royalty percentages and multiple royalties. ID, vault, in royalties, royalty share. Royalty resource manager. Royalty badge resource address. Royalty badge resource manager. about to be interesting. Okay, not owed. Let's manage type 100 bucket and bucket. Fungible buckets. Fungible buckets. Alright. So we got a fungible bucket, which solves that problem. All solved it. Okay. Now we have this problem. Creating a vector of buckets of all the entities one has and adding it to the remaining tokens. Well, that sentence doesn't mean a whole lot to me, I will be honest. A vector of buckets of non-fungible pieces is like non-fungible. Of all the entities the one has and adding it to the remaining tokens. This is weird. How would I do this? Taking the price of the NFTs and putting it in the vault. Which vaults get mutable? I don't know. So we assert that the payment amount is greater than self-block, greater than equal to self-block price. We want payment by resource and address is equal to self-block accepted payment. Okay, yep. Those asserts make sense. I don't get this. Why did I do this, or did I copy this from somewhere else? That would have it make more sense. This was definitely copied from somewhere else. Okay, so that resource address is resource address. Okay, so as I'm trying to figure this out, and take a look at DeFi. This is legit scrypto examples. RGB. Fixed prices. Yeah. Don't want the payment in there. I don't know why it was there, but there you go. Okay, and then the last thing to do is retreat into the caller. Okay, I was just returning it to the caller. We're just returning a vector of non-bendable buckets. Okay, yeah, we're returning it to the caller because the caller of the function. That makes sense. Right, well, we've successfully fixed all of the bugs that were there. And we are getting some two or take from worktop. So, resource address, mount, new bucket. Okay. Take all from worktop. Now we're still expecting one bucket. I guess the builder doesn't get finished. Okay, so we just okay. What's the proper way? And then examples. Best. Alright. So what they've got over here is they have the builder bucket thing that I'm doing. But mine's throwing an error. So Alrighty, so just withdraw from accounts. Take from worktop. Use one. We've got builder and bucket here. Saying that type must be done at this point. So we're giving this closure next. Manifest. Okay, I'm gonna set here. Okay. Manifest. Resolvable resource address. I have no idea what I'm doing. This looks so wrong. Well, telling me that I need it. These guys don't have it. Like, just see if ChatGPT can help me. Honestly, I have no idea. I have this code, but it's giving me the phone number. Okay, that wasn't helpful. Alright, let's tell me let's look at some code. It's already 11. Alright, my goal. New manifest. How are you used? So we can do manifest bucket, which is a register. Register. See with because you take from worked up and specify. Oh. Then these bugs are more than a little bit frustrating. Okay. Maybe it's because I just don't understand Radix or Rust, but they are frustrating. These examples just we got empties1, we got decimal, one, we're passing in our amount, and then we have our delivery. Which also, from what I can tell, is exactly the same as their builder maybe right here. We got a builder, we got a bucket. So let's just simplify it. Just cut all of that out. It didn't fix it, we still have this issue. Right. So I'm not entirely sure. I don't know. Alright, time's up. I gotta go. I'll send in if this is a question in the Discord. Really don't know what the problem is. I'm copying their code pretty much line for line. This count. Component. Their NFT1. NFT2. So one bunch of resources created. We've got the amount that we're drawing from. We take from the worktop, so we took from account and we're taking from worktop and we want to put it into, we want to create a component from our blueprint in this test, but we're getting just stuck on this builder. The type must be known at this point, since we're doing this closure private and specific type. Don't know what that's trying to tell me. Not seeing it in this test in particular. Let's see in another test. So that has it. Okay, these guys take from worktop, Radix token, decimal. They haven't updated their tests then. Okay, so guess no. No, they've been updated. Take for more top, Radix token, builder, okay. Yeah, man, I don't know. I really don't. Okay. Yes. That's a question. So I am well and truly stuck on this. Push it up and get. Let's ask our question. Thanks for hopping in, guys. Really appreciate it. So I'd just like to shoot out a quick invite for a group I've put together called the Dream Builders. I've been looking for the people. I am looking for the people who have a psychological need to see their dream become a reality, who want to make their dream a reality. And I put together this community to try and make that happen for you as fast as possible, and put together all the tools and resources that I have discovered to help you do that. So you get a weekly newsletter on personal development mindset. You get access to weekly group coaching on Wednesdays. You get access to a community of strivers in Discord, community of builders in Discord who are also trying to build their dream. And last but not least, you get monthly trainings on different skill sets that you can acquire, that you can build to make things happen faster. I like to say they're very high leverage skill sets. So whether that be automations, code to help you do more with less, or how to collaborate with people, how to content, how to create content so you can learn how to make content faster, better, all that good stuff. So it's free. I'm inviting anyone who wants to hop in. Again, the only thing I ask is that you have a psychological need to turn your dream into a reality. So honestly, I'm super pumped about it. I really want to find the people who have that psychological need, who are willing to put in the work to make that happen. If that's you, scan the QR code, click the link in the chat, and join us. I would be happy, absolutely thrilled to have you join us. Thanks again for following along as I build out this Radix scrypto blueprint. We fixed all the issues, which is exactly what I wanted to finish for today. And next week, we're going to try and tackle these tests and finally get to testing our blueprint to make sure it actually works as intended. So I'm pretty excited for that. Let's crush this week, guys. See you for more Radix development next week.